What was wrong with the research of MDMA that MAPS submitted? And was the rejection warranted? There were a couple of key issues flagged by the FDA with the MAPS submission. Firstly, the panel voted 10 to 1 that benefits do not outweigh the risks. So the risks highlighted included cardiovascular risks, worsening mental health symptoms, including suicidal thoughts, and the risk of substance dependency. Secondly, there was the glaring issue of sexual misconduct during trials. Therapists in MAPS's phase 2 trials were accused of sexual abuse and inappropriate behavior, which prompted the journal Psychopharmacology to later retract several papers, citing these ethical violations and a failure to disclose conflicts of interests between the authors and MAPS. Thirdly, was the problem of something called functional unblinding. And MDMA's profound mind altering effects make it nearly impossible to effectively blind patients, as this cartoon illustrates. It quickly becomes clear who took the real thing versus the placebo. The challenge here is that unblinding could affect trial results because participants might experience different outcomes based on their expectations. So, overarching all of this was a clear message that getting approval for drug assisted psychotherapy is going to be much more complicated than getting approval for just a drug as a medication. The FDA doesn't regulate psychotherapy, and the combined approach complicates the data around drug specific details. So, this likely played a role in the concerns raised about long term safety and efficacy.